Niansheng Beauty Equipment Company Limited is one of the supplier of beauty equipment. We provide OEM and ODM services for beauty salon, trading company, distributor all over the world. Our main products including face lifting machine, body slimming machine, skin care cleaning machine, hair removal, diode, laser, and other beauty equipments. We can meet the high frequency of procurement needs for customers. We have our own design department that can customize products for our customers. We also have the professional sales and after-sales service team, so we can provide you with the best service. We will attend beauty shows around the world, such as Russia, Italy, Dubai, America, and other beauty shows. Our products have been exported to Europe, America, Middle East, Australia, Africa, and Southeast Asia, all over the world. Our products can help clients pass the various international approved standards, certificates, and reports, such as CE, ROS, FDA, and other certifications. A lot of customers have been using our machines all over the world, cooperating with our fixed cooperation transport companies in many countries. We can provide door-to-door service, high-quality, after-sales service. If you have any interest in purchasing beauty machine from China, please contact us. We can offer the best factory price and high-quality services to you. Welcome to China. Welcome to Niansheng. We trust we would be your good cooperation partner.